I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by calming your breathing and moving quietly. Stealth preserves time because every noise draws Granny. Start at the most likely spots: coffee table, armchair, and TV stand, then run hands firmly beneath cushions, and a long couch seems to feel for the remote. Once done, place a distinct marker at the room entrance so you don't recheck it. Use the flashlight beam low and slow to catch the remote's shape and contrast against dark upholstery. This method saves frantic backtracking. Now you escalate to a systematic sweep room by room so nothing is skipped. Work clockwise to keep orientation. Open every drawer and cabinet near the living area, slide the TV stand out if possible, and lift rugs to inspect dark crevices where a remote might snag. Don't ignore odd places like shoes, laundry baskets, or coat pockets. Granny's house hides objects in corners. Make a short verbal note or soft clap after completing each room to anchor progress and prevent repeating. Finish by confirming the remote's location and planning a safe retrieval. You want to secure it without drawing attention. If it's not where expected, retrace your last actions and re-examine the immediate vicinity. Most finds are within arm's reach of where you last stood. To reach under heavy furniture, use a long probe or broom handle rather than crawling. This reduces noise. If Granny approaches, create a small distraction away from the target. Then quietly retrieve the remote and exit to a secure spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.